Today we've got another 2 sides for you that we're going to do in the air fryer. We're going to do broccoli and potatoes. It turns out you can do these together at the same time in about 20 minutes. So these 2 sides are designed while you've got your main prepped and ready to go. You can go ahead and prep these, and pretty much from start to finish you're looking at 25 minutes with about 20 minutes worth of cook time. First, we're going to go ahead and prep the potatoes. What we're going to do is we're going to cut those into small pieces. They'll either be in halves or thirds, most likely. When you're cutting the larger ones, some you're going to want to cut into 3 pieces. Others you're just going to cut into 2. And then we're going to coat them in duck fat. If you don't have duck fat, then feel free to use any oil or even some butter. I just think duck fat works particularly well with potatoes, among other foods. And if you can't find it, look at Darktanian. You can order it online. And any of you who are afflicted with dyslexia, be careful saying duck fat around children. And then I just like to top the potatoes with a little bit of garlic salt. Lowry's is my favorite. And stir it up. Get a nice even coating. Now to prep the broccoli, it's pretty simple. I like to remove a little bit of the stem, and then I take them and just split them right down the middle in halves. Then we just take some olive oil, and then I lay them on a rack and just top it with a little bit of the same garlic salt. Typically I would do this over the sink, but for the purpose of illustration, I'm going to do this over a baking pan. Now we're ready to put them in the air fryer. We're going to do this for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So when we put them in, I'm going to go ahead and put the broccoli on the lower rack and the potatoes a little bit higher. Once you begin to use the air fryer, you'll realize it gets a little hotter up top, and this will create a nice browning on the potatoes. So during the 20 minutes where the side dishes are cooking, that's typically where I'll go over and prepare my main so that they all finish right around the same time. 20 minutes later, broccoli looks good, and so do the potatoes. And after right around 20 minutes, you've got 2 sides in the air fryer that are ready to go. Hopefully you've gone ahead now and prepared your main, and everything will come out at about the same time. Broccoli and potatoes. If you've enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would just go ahead right now and click subscribe. And if you would also please click like and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future videos.